Assalamu alaikum, beloved student. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. After a long period of time, I have met with you again, and I was taking a class on the topic of with clause and without clause. And to answer with clause and without clause, I discussed the rules of some parts of pieces named noun and adjective. That's why I am going to discuss today the rules of verbs. Okay, I think that the rules of verb will be very effective to answer the number 4 and 5 named with clause and without clauses. Okay, and I hope you will be able to understand the rules of verbs, and you know well that I discussed the position of verb in the right forms of verbs. Okay, that's why give concentration on my lecture to understand this topic properly. Okay, and write down rule 1. Write down rule 1. If you find any sort of modal auxiliary verb plus gap, then you will have to put the V1 or the present form of verb. Okay, and write down, and such as the modal verb can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, used to, is going to, are going to, had better, would rather, had better, would better, let, must, need, dare, need, dare, let. Okay, if you find any sort of modal auxiliary verb plus gap, then you will be able to apply the present form of verb in this item. Okay, and I am giving an example by the help of modal auxiliary verb. Okay, in your question paper there will be given an example here, like as me, that I will give you. He had better gone there. He had better gone there. Okay, we know well that in normal sense had only indicates the past formation, but whenever you will find had plus better, then it will only indicate the present or simple future tense, not past. Okay, you should be careful. Had better will not be able to understand the meaning of any past sequence, just it will only apply or indicate the present or future tense. That's okay. And what will be the right answer just after had better? We have already found had better as modal auxiliary verb. That is why instead of gone, we will be able to apply the present formation of verb. And what is the present form of gone? Yes, here go will be right answer. You will exchange the formation of verb given in the box in your question paper in any sorts of examination, especially our term 3 examination. Okay, good. And what is the right answer? He had better go there. Okay. Write down rule number 2. Rule number 2. Very, very important. And if you find a number 4 items, to be, or having, to be or having plus gap. Okay. Then from the box word, to see the box word, and you will have to apply the B3. And if you find present form of verb or past form of verb given in the box, you will have to change the formation of B3. Why? Because after to be or having, after to be or having any one, then we will be able to apply the past participle form of principal verb. Okay. And by the help of having, I have written an example in front of you. The boy ran away having still, okay, still the pen. The boy ran away. It is called the past indefinite tense. The boy ran away having still. In a box word, there will be given in the present form or past form. Okay. To observe the present form or past form in a box, you will have to take a firm decision to change the formation of B3. That's mean past participle form of verb. Why? Because we have already found the position of having plus gap. Okay, and we have already also found here the position of V1. That's mean present formation of verb. That is why what will be the right answer here? Right answer will be stolen. Stolen. Why? Steal, stole and stolen. That is why past participle of verb has been applied here to follow the rule of only having here. Okay. And we are going to discuss the rule number 3. I hope you will give concentration on my lecture. This rule is very crucial to be efficient in English within the shortest possible of time. Okay, rule number 3. If you find in a sentence some word, then cannot help, could not help, with a view to, look forward to, get used to, mind, ought, mind, earth, cannot help, couldn't help, with a view to, look forward to, get used to, mind, earth, anyone, then you will have to add principal verb plus ing from the box. Okay, and v1 or v3 or v2 may be given in your box, okay, according to the question paper. Then to see the question paper, the formation of v1, v2 or v3, anyone, then you will have to add here principal verb plus ing. Why? Because anyone from this word, if you find in any sentence, then you will have to apply the principal verb plus ing form. Okay, that is why, to be clear in this rule, I am giving an example. I think that you will be able to answer this sentence, to correct this sentence. Okay. A good student studies. A good student studies regularly. I think you have understood this sentence. A good student has been given as subject plus studies. Here has been considered verb, regularly, adverb, with a view to. With a view to, it is called the prepositional phrase. Okay, and why we will be able to call it is it, do you know the is it prepositional phrase? Why? Because we have found here with is considered the preposition plus others, it is called the prepositional phrase. With a view to, with a view to, not only here has been applied to has been added here, is a combined words here. Okay, to has been connected with the words with a view, that is why with a view to, it is called the phrasal word. And what will be the exact meaning of with a view to? With a view to is called here purpose. Okay, and any source of destination, make, and what will be the right answer? Make will be make or made? No. Why? Because with a view to plus verb. Okay, make has been put here as the position of principal verb, that is why we will add here principal verb plus ing is equal to, right answer here is making. Any one of this, mind, earth, cannot help, could not help, with a view to, look forward to, get used to. Okay, any one, if you find any sorts of sentence, then it will be added here principal verb plus ing. That's clear. Okay, And I am giving an example by the help of look forward to. I always look forward to help the poor people. Okay, we find look forward to. Look forward to, then help has been added here the position of principal verb. Okay, and that is why we may apply here the help plus principal verb is equal to helping, and we have to know the exact meaning of look forward to. Do you know the exact meaning of look forward to? Look forward to means hope. Okay, hope for, long for. It is called long for. I always long for or look for what to help the poor, and help will be the right answer? No. Why? Because we have found here the look forward to. It is called the phrase word. That is why we will apply here principal verb plus ing. And what will be the principal verb here? Just help, H-E-L-P. That is why we will add here principal verb plus ing. That is why right answer will be H-E-L-P-I-N-G, helping. It is right. And by applying helping, you will get a full mark on it, number 4. And I am concerning you that majority of the student in our country are very weak to answer the number 4 and number 5, and I am giving some information regarding the rules of number 4 and 5. Then by the help of this rule you will be able to carry a full marks on it, inshallah. Okay, next rules I am going to discuss with you. Rule 4. And if you find it is time, it is high time, wish, fancy, anyone in a sentence, then past form will be given as answer, and there will be given in a box present form or B3, that's mean past participle of verb. Okay, to identify the rules of it is time or it is high time or wish or fancy, anyone when we will find in a sentence, then our right answer will be applied V2 just after subject. V2 means past form of principal verb. Okay, then coronavirus is spreading all over the world. In our country, is spreading mostly. So it is high time our government take some pragmatic steps to stop it immediately. Okay, coronavirus is spreading all over the world. In our country, it is spreading mostly. So it is high time. Here we have found here that it is high time. Subject our government. Here we have already found here the position of took inside the box. Okay, present form of take. Okay, take some pragmatic steps. Pragmatic steps, essential steps, or important steps, or crucial steps. It is what is the exact meaning of pragmatic? Essential, drastic, important. Pragmatic steps. Steps means measures. To stop. It's called the use of infinitive here. In purpose, to stop. To stop. To do stop. It immediately. That is why what will be the right answer here? Instead of take, we will apply here the position of V2. Okay. There is no sacrifice here to put the past form. Okay, it gives the more importance here. That's the position of TOOK. That is why instead of take, we will apply here the position of took as right answer. Okay. Next rule, write down rule 5. If you find only one simple sentence or a complete sentence, and if you also find here the two verbs here, how many verbs in a sentence? Two verbs. Then next verb will be added just principal verb plus ing. Okay, ing form will be applied in the second verb in a complete sentence. Okay, and if you find here the two verbs in a complete sentence, then we will be able to add principal verb plus ing form the second principal verb. Okay. And I am giving an example. Write down. I saw a porter. Porter is very common figure in railway station. Okay. I saw a porter work in the station. I saw, yes, saw is the past form of see, and saw has been applied just after subject. That is why usually we have called here the position of principal verb, then a porter. Okay, I saw a porter work. What's the parts of speech work here? Is the principal verb. Why? Something done by specific word without taking the help of another word in a sentence, then it will be counted as the position of principal verb. That is why we can say that saw is the principal verb and work is also a principal verb. That is why we will add here principal verb plus ing, just especially the second verb. Okay, that is why what will be the right answer? Beloved student, tell me what will be the, yes, working here, working. Okay, working will be the right answer. In your exam script, no need to express the whole passage. Okay, just you will have to apply only the answer from according to the serial number A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, next I am going to discuss the most important topic. Inshallah, you will find common 2 or 3 rules here. Okay, if you find in a question paper the such types of structure here that I am explaining on whiteboard, subject plus AV plus gap plus to oblique by oblique with oblique of oblique at. Okay, very important rules. You will certainly common 2 or 3 examples in any particular types of grammatical item or first paper item. And look at this structure. If you find subject plus auxiliary verb, that's mean AB. A means auxiliary, B means verbs. Okay, auxiliary verbs or helping verbs, anyone you may realize, you may think about it. Okay, subject plus auxiliary verb plus gap plus to or by or with or of or at. And you know well that such types of words here just after gap we will call it prepositions. What types of parts of speech? Such types of words are called preposition. And subject plus auxiliary verb plus gap plus preposition, then we will certainly apply here the position of B3. B3. Then we will call such types of sentence is passive voice. What types of voice is passive voice? Okay, and auxiliary verb may be varied from sentence to sentence. If you find here subject plus am or is or are, any one plus B3, then it will be counted as the passive voice of present indefinite. And if you find here the auxiliary verb was or were, any one, then it will be also counted here the passive voice of past indefinite. And shall or will be applied here. If you find, then it will be counted also here the position of passive voice, especially the future indefinite tense. Okay, and mobile phone, I am giving an example here by the help of this structure. Mobile phone is mobile phone is by the people of whole world to communicate with the near and dears. Okay, and mobile phone has no power. Mobile phone has no capacity, no ability to use. If you don't use mobile phone, quite impossible to operate mobile phone. You know well that. That is why it will be counted the structure of passive voice. And what will be the exact of passive voice? We know subject plus auxiliary verb plus gap plus any sort of preposition, anyone. Especially I have indicated the position of a preposition, some position, to, oblique, or by, or with, of, at, or of, anyone. Then past participle from a verb will be applied inside the gap, inside the box word. Then mobile phone is used. Is it right answer? No. Why? Because just before gap we have found the position of auxiliary verb, position of auxiliary verb. After gap we have found here the position of preposition. That is why what will be the right answer? Used. Right answer? Used. It is called the passive voice of present indefinite tense. Okay, and I am giving an warning or to be aware regarding the auxiliary verb. In some cases any auxiliary verb will not be given just after subject. Understood my speech? And any sort of auxiliary verb will not be given just after subject and before gap. Then according to the subject and tense, you will have to take a firm decision instantly sitting in your exam hall to apply the position of auxiliary verb. Okay, according to the specially identifying the exact sequence of tense. That is why mobile phone is a universal aspect here, universal subject. As usual, everybody uses mobile phone. That is why it indicates the gist present tense. That is why according to the subject, third person singular number, mobile phone. Okay, mobile phone, third person singular number, and auxiliary verb will be applied am or is or are, anyone, and am, no, are, no. And what will be the right auxiliary verb according to the subject? Is. Why? Because third person singular number. That is why we can easily put here the auxiliary verb is. That is why is may not be given in your question paper to be confused you. No need. There will be no any place to make mistake. Okay, we will be able certainly to put the correct auxiliary verb just after subject is here, then used. That will be the right answer. Mobile phone is used by the people of the whole world to communicate the near and dear. Okay. Beloved student, we have discussed already all rules of verb. To answer the with clause and without clause, I hope you have understood all my rules, especially the today's lecture. Okay, and in my next class I will discuss the last position of parts of speech, especially the rules of adverb. Until then, try to be well. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.